Uh, Hello, we are from the Vitamin C team, and we have make a project whose name is PR Herder, the Slack agent that tames the open source pull request firehouse. Every engineering team has the same problem. Pull request pileups, reviewer don't know who should review them, and context switching into the GitHub is a kind of a waste of time. PR Herder automatically tries every pull request, summarizes complex one locally with the Olama and let reviewer approve them directly from the Slack. If I'm going to explain you how this will gonna to be work, like when a pull request, when a pull request opens, GitHub send the webhook to the PR header, and the webhook is verified before being stored in the Postgres. An asynchronous worker process it through the deterministic rules. Only when a PR is large, the routing rule can't be confidently assigned it. Do we invoke a local ulama for that? Finally, the result is sent to the Slack as an interactive review card. Let me show you the entire working, how this is actually working. This is the code. Let me show you. This is the terminal where we are running the ngrok, and this is where we are using that URL to curl. After that, here we are running the main backend terminal, which is already containerized through Docker and after then orchestrated through the Kubernetes. And this is where we are creating a proper merge branch. Like we check out through the demo video, we have created this branch, and after that we are inserting some of the files for checking that, and then push it to the GitHub. And this is the URL where it was created. If we click on that, it open a new page, and I have already shown you. Like this is I have already shown you. This is the where we have to click on the approve button, then it directly goes to that URL. After that, it show you a merge. You There is a chance like you have directly access to your Slack, where you can just click on the approve button or suggest some of the requested if required, and then it directly merges on the GitHub. This is a very simple and a very helpful project. Like PR Herder combined deterministic routing with the local AI assistant, using AI only when the rules aren't enough. Thank you.